So you can simplify an algebraic expression by combining like terms. This means to combine common variable terms and constant terms. All right, so let's take a look at our example over here. I have 9x minus 2 plus 16x plus 8 minus x plus 10, and I want to simplify it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the variable terms and the constant terms. So I have 9x over here plus 16x minus x are my variable terms, and my constant terms are going to be negative 2 plus 8 and plus 10. Now the first thing I'm going to do, you guys don't have to do this all the time, but I'm going to do it right now, is I'm going to rewrite this algebraic expression because I can rewrite it. Okay, addition and subtraction, I can rewrite the order of addition and subtraction according to what I want. I'm just going to switch the order of the terms, always respecting the sign that accompanies the terms. So 9x plus 16x minus x, I'm going to write those first. 9x plus 16x minus x, and then I'm going to write minus 2 plus 8 plus 10. Okay, now I just rewrote these terms. This is exactly the same expression. I just changed the order of the terms, respecting the signs, right? So if I had a plus 8 over here, I'm still going to have a plus 8 over there. This minus x is still minus x. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to combine all the constant terms and I'm going to combine the variable terms. All right? So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to have 9x plus 16x minus x. And I have to combine these guys together. 9x plus 16x is going to give me 25x. And then I have 25x minus x. Remember that that is a minus 1x. So 9x plus 16x minus 1x. 9 plus 16, 25x. Minus 1x would give me 24x. Now, negative 2 plus 8 plus 10 is going to give me negative 2 plus 8 is 6 plus 16 plus 10 is 16. So this is going to be my final answer. This is my simplified algebraic expression. And notice that I can't go any farther because I cannot add a variable term with a constant term. I can't add 24x plus 16. I have to stop there. That's as simplified as it can possibly be. So let's take a look at number 11. I have 4p plus 8p plus 10. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the like terms. So 4p and 8p are like terms, and plus 10 is not a like term because it's a constant term and because it doesn't have a p, right? So now we can combine like terms. I have 4p plus 8p, which is going to give me 12p. And this plus 10, it's by itself. There's nobody to add or subtract, so you just leave it there, right? You're going to leave it as plus 10. And this is my simplified algebraic expression. Moving on to number 12, I have 12 plus 2x minus 14x plus 8. Let's identify the like terms. So I'm going to have plus 2x and minus 14x. They are like terms because they both contain an x. And 12 and plus 8 are also like terms. So now all we have to do is add. 12 plus 8 is going to give me 20. All right? And then I have to add 2x minus 14x, which is going to give me negative 12x. This is my final answer. Number 13, I have a minus 7 minus 4a plus 2. So a and negative 4a are like terms. They both contain the a. And minus 7 plus 2 are also like terms. We can combine them. So a, remember there's a 1 in front of the a. So this is 1a minus 4a. 1 minus 4 is negative 3a. And minus 7 plus 2 is going to give me minus 5. Moving on to number 14, we have r minus 2s plus 2r minus 8s. Notice that we have two different variables, two different letters, r and s. So they are not like terms. R is 1 combines with r and s combines with s. All right, so I'm going to color code them differently. R is going to be blue and the s terms are going to be green. So r and plus 2r are like terms and minus 2s minus 8s are also like terms. So we have to combine r with r, s with s. R plus 2r is going to give me 3r, minus 2s minus 8s is going to give me minus 10s. Number 15, we're going to have x plus 4x plus 4 minus 8x. Identifying like terms, over here we only have one kind of letter, which is x. So x plus 4x minus 8x are like terms, and plus 4 is a different kind of term because it doesn't have the x. Now all we have to do is combine. Remember, this is a 1x, so I'm going to have 1x plus 4x, which is going to give me 5x, and 5x minus 8x is going to give me minus 3x, and plus 4, I have to leave it there because there's no one else to add it with. Number 16, we're going to have 12x minus 5 plus 3. 12x combines with plus x, and minus 5 combines with negative 3. Now we have to put them together. 12x plus x is going to give me 13x, and minus 5 minus 3 gives me minus 8. Number 17, I have 10b plus 7 plus b minus 14. I have 10b and plus b are like terms, and 7 and negative 14 are also like terms. So we can combine the like terms. 10b plus b is 11b, and plus 7 minus 14 is minus 7. And finally, number 18, I have minus p minus 3 plus 1 minus 2p. The p terms are like terms, so negative p and negative 2p, and minus 3 and plus 1 are like terms. So we can combine them. We're going to have minus p minus 2p minus 1, right? Minus 1 minus 2 gives me minus 3p, and minus 3 plus 1 gives me a negative 2. Moving on to the next page, I want you guys to right now type in the answers for numbers 19 through 26. Pause the video and solve them right here, right now on Edpuzzle. I want to see if you guys are being able to combine these like terms. Finally, your homework is to do homework number 4. Homework number 4 is going to be due tomorrow midnight, all right? Tomorrow we have class. It's not going to be due at the beginning of class, but it is going to be due tomorrow midnight. And people, please do this homework as carefully as you can. It is super important, super important for every single math course that you're going to take for the rest of your life. We are starting to get into algebra, and this stuff is important stuff.